What's up folks, welcome to a sneaker cleaning video. It's your boy Vichar and I'm one of the sneaker cleaning experts here at SHOEGR, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to clean your Air Forces using the SHOEGR Ultimate Kit. So without wasting any time, I'm just gonna jump right into it. The contents of the box, ek karke I'm gonna take you through all of these. So to begin with, when you open the box, you get the directions on how to use different products. There's a very nice card placed inside that says thank you at the end. We've got a sneaker cleaning solution. I'm gonna open the box and show you all what this looks like. There it is, there you have it. The sneaker cleaning solution works best with different types of materials that a shoe can have. इसके साथ आपको एक microfiber towel भी मिलता है to clean off the foam that this creates. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. The microfiber towel. इस kit के अंदर you get 3 brushes. All 3 brushes have been marked respectively. You've got the soft brush, the medium brush, and then you have the hard brush. So soft brush works best when you're cleaning this part of the shoe. Medium brush works best with the midsole of the shoe. The hard one is perfect for the outsole. Since this one is the hardest one of them all, इससे जो सबसे ज़्यादा dirt जो shoe के नीचे मिलता है, that can be cleaned off very easily. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So to begin with, मैं एक जूता side करूँगा, and we're going to work on this one. It is hella dirty. It feels like इस पे काफी dirt लगा हुआ है, as you can clearly see. To begin with, I'm gonna pop off the laces from the shoe, just like that. बहुत सारा dirt है जो सिर्फ laces खोलने से ही निकल रहा है, but don't worry about that. We got everyone covered. So now that we got rid of the laces, we'll take this, place some lukewarm water into it. Preferably मैं lukewarm water suggest करूँगा because it works best. And once you are done with it, we add 3 squirts into the water. I'm going to take a hard brush. I'm going to use this to mix the whole solution. I'd always recommend starting with the sole of the shoe and work your way up the shoe. So basically इससे क्या होगा कि जो heavy dirt है shoe में जो होती है, you can get that out easily. So you're supposed to scrub in a circular motion for best results, just like this. So as you can see, the shoe has foamed up nicely. It's looking pretty dope so far. एक बार जब आपको समझ आ जाए कि it's foamed up well, you just have to take your microfiber cloth and just wipe it through. If you still feel like there's a little dirt left on the shoe, you can repeat the same process again. Looks pretty dope to me. Now coming to the midsole, हम वही same process फिर से repeat करेंगे. इसको पानी में dip करके. I'm using a medium brush by the way, which works best with the midsole. Again, just scrub it off and scrub it in a circular motion again for best results. Foam हो रहा है अभी भी midsole के ऊपर. Again, use a microfiber towel and clean off the entire midsole with it. Most of the dirt on the midsole वो सब साफ हो चुका है. I can barely see any dirt on the midsole of the shoe. If you still feel like there is some dirt like this left on the shoe, what you can do is take your microfiber towel and just dip it in water, the whole solution that you made, and then just scrub it like this. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि जो स्टिचेस होती हैं उनमें थोड़ा डर्ट लग जाता है. टू रिमूव दैट एंड थोड़ा इन डेप्थ क्लीनिंग करने के लिए दिस कुड बी डन एंड दिस वर्क्स वेल. वंस यू फील लाइक you've got rid of all the dirt from the stitches as well, you can just use the towel to further wipe off the whole foam. There it is. Now we'll head on to the next one. अभी हम soft brush का use करने वाले हैं. हम इससे पूरा shoe के ऊपर जितना भी dirt है, we're gonna clean it off. Again, repeating the same process and scrub it in a circular motion. Now the back side of the shoe, it also carries a little amount of dirt. We're just gonna scrub it off as well. Guys, very important, circular motion में इसे करना बहुत important है, because एक shoe के जो stitches होते हैं वो उन सब में घुसने के लिए you've got to have a motion while you scrubbing. For the tongue of the shoe, you are going to repeat the same process. We're going to again scrub it in a circular motion. Since shoe का tongue थोड़ा soft और ज़्यादा water absorb करने वाला होता है, we're going to use थोड़ा और water for it. Once it's completely covered with foam, you know what we're going to do. We're going to use the microfiber towel again. We're going to wipe it off just like that. Sheesh. You can clearly see the difference here. Like ये shoe जैसा पहले था और ये अभी जैसा बन रहा है धीरे धीरे करके. It's a lot of difference. For the laces, करना कुछ नहीं है. Basically आपको laces fold करने हैं ऐसे, and you just have to dip them right into the solution. Make sure वो पूरा solution absorb कर ले. It's very essential. Once you feel like laces ने solution को absorb कर लिया है, इसको बस सारे dirt को ऐसे निकालने का. So the best way to do it is you could use a microfiber towel. एक side से lace का tip पकड़ के you can just go like this. So there you have it. The laces are as clean as a whistle. Alright, so we're gonna pop the laces right back into the sneakers. For those of you that don't know, the name of the shoe was inspired by the airplane that carries the president. Yes, that's why it's called the Air Force One. Fun fact now, by 1984, Nike actually इन्हें discontinue करने वाला था, but 3 retailers from Baltimore really urged Nike to, you know, like reconsider. इस particular silhouette के साथ बहुत experiment किया गया है. Nike always comes up with different variations for this particular silhouette. This particular shoe is called the Nike Air Force One's NBAX. Yeah, it looks pretty dope. So guys, that was it for the sneaker cleaning video. It's your boy Vichar signing out, and we're gonna be back with more videos for you guys. Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Peace out.